We have some weather updates to get to. We have a blizzard that's about to head into the Central Plains and up through the Midwest. We now have a day 2 slight risk for severe weather through portions of eastern Illinois and western Indiana, and this does include Chicago. And we're still watching the potential for a very severe weather outbreak in portions of the South Central Plains and Deep South as we approach this Sunday and upcoming Monday. All right, let's get into the updates. We currently have a lot of snow falling through portions of the Rockies. This low will begin to move into the Central Plains and deepen. We do expect some heavy winds and good snowfall accumulation through portions of the Central Plains and up through the Midwest. Our American Euro and HRRR models really weren't on the same page yesterday, but today we've seen our HRRR and Euro really come together. And I really like when these models agree because for snow forecasting, the HRRR is the best short range typically, and the Euro is the best global. Our latest Euro does put around 6 to 8 inches into Omaha, and actually brings around 4 to 6 inches into central Kansas. I would actually take these down an inch or two because I do think there's going to be a mixing problem down here. We see a smaller strip of snow through Iowa and Minnesota as well, really anywhere between 4 to 9 inches. Now the GFS still does have a big pack of snow up here to the north, putting a lot of snow down into the Twin Cities. Although like I said, these are two pretty good models for snow and they're pulling this to the south. So I do think this is more of a likely outcome. And Wisconsin overall could see a good amount of snow as well. I don't know if it's going to make it down into Milwaukee and Madison, but it could. That was the Euro model, and this is the HRRR. And as you can see, there's a lot of similarities. The HRRR actually puts down a lot more snow, but almost in the same exact spot as the Euro. But this could be a lot of snow for Omaha, especially if this played out. Again, this is mainly a Wednesday into Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon storm. And we are expecting gusts between 50 and 60 miles per hour. You could see even higher than that locally. I do want to update you on the severe weather threat from the system as well. As we get into Wednesday afternoon, we'll start to see our mid-level jet really start to crank up. And some potentially dangerous thunderstorms will be forming out ahead of this low pressure system. We could potentially see some tornado producing cells out of this. We really need to watch this area tomorrow afternoon. Again, from eastern Illinois into western Indiana. And lastly, we do still have a day 6 threat for severe weather. This does now look to be stretching potentially from Dallas all the way down to Houston and out towards Alabama. I just wanted to let you guys know this is still in the forecast. This would really be a Sunday evening into Monday afternoon event and could be capable of producing some high winds, hail, and potentially some strong tornadoes. So it's something to plan for this weekend. Another thing to plan for is some very cold temperatures moving back into the east next week, with the potential for some snow in areas that you usually don't see it this late in the season. I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every single day and I stream every night. I'll see you in the next video.